Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Popsicle. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode, we're going to be doing a popsicle, and it's going to be a really simple one, but I want you to pay attention to it's not flat. I have dimension to it. Like right here, let's build that little side angle right there, and when I build the stick for the popsicle part, I'm going to do the same thing. Very simple lesson. It's more of showing dimension in an object instead of being flat art. And then I have the crosshairs I'm going to be building and putting the face on there. I'm just adding some like fun little grain of wood on there, on the part of the popsicle there. All right, let's build the face on there right now. Okay, let's work on that eye. All right, and I'm going to make a simple eye in this one, just a round circle. I'm going to just color that in, like shade it in darker, and put the other one there just a little bit smaller because it's going around the angle. Same little glare on there. Those are those small little white dots. All right, I'm going to make it like a little girl, so I'm going to add some 2 eyelashes on there. You can do as many as you like. I like to do 2 or 3 at times. All right, that's looking good. Let's get a little bit darker. All right, there. Let's get the nose and make a big smiley face for this little popsicle. There we go. I like how that one's looking good. All right, get that little lip. All right, and the inside of the mouth, let's just shade that in simply, just to give some contrast to the illustration. In this case, it's just a thumbnail. All right, let's get a little darker now as I go very lightly in the very beginning, and then I get a little bit heavier as I get more confident in what I am drawing and what I like. Let's give some eyebrows on this one, a little straight up one on this one, a little more straight up on that one. Give some expression. Adding a little shadow underneath the popsicle there. And that other side, that little one, I'm going to make it even darker because that's going to be around it. A little bit different. There we go. That's looking good. All right, let's shade in that last area. Okay, that's the side there. That's the key thing. What I want you to learn in this lesson is actually taking something that's kind of flat and making it 3-dimensional. Let's add some cherries on top of this little popsicle. Make it unique. I know it doesn't work, but you know what? Use your imagination. Anything is possible when you are a cartoonist. And I know you guys can do some fun things. Add a hat on there or whatever. So here's 2 cherries on top there, and I'm going to put a third one on there too. Let's just shade that one in. That was Mr. Cuckoo Clock going off on me right now. All right, let's get that other one on there. That's looking good. Okay, shade that in as well. Just about done with that. I'll get all the way around. Yeah, a little darker here and there. Yep, I'm liking that. Looking good, a little bit heavier. Good. Oh, let's put some drops on here now too. Yeah, these are just little highlights. Those little white spots, like it's melting on a hot summer day. I'm thinking a chocolate-covered shell with white ice cream inside. All right, let's make them different type of dripping on there. Kind of like have start a little one on the back and then a little drop and a one forming. You can actually take references to check how dripping water looks like on even ice. And this one I'm going to make like it's just about to snap off. Another one just is off right there. There you go. Shade those in simply. All right, that's looking good. I like that. That's good too. All right, we'll make it a little bit darker. Just looking around where I might be able to emphasize some stuff. A little of the nose there different, get the cheek, yeah. So I just go back and forth, and when I feel like I'm done, I just stop. But I'm just gonna make this a little bit darker inside as well. Yep, that's good. I like that. And the top, all right. And as always I say, let's make sure we sign and date. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.